Here is the uncomfortable truth about freelancing in 2026. The clients who used to pay you for 20 hours of work now expect the same result in 5. Not because they are being unreasonable, because the freelancers who adopted AI tools are actually delivering it in 5. If you are not using these tools yet, you are losing clients to people who are. Today, I am breaking down the 7 AI tools that top freelancers are using right now to multiply their output without multiplying their hours. These are not hype tools. These are tools with real workflows behind them. Tool number 1, Claude for deep client work. Freelancers doing research, writing, analysis, or strategy are using Claude as a thought partner. You feed it a client brief, a competitor analysis, raw notes from a call, and you get structured thinking back in seconds. The key is treating it like a senior collaborator, not a search engine. Copywriters, consultants, and strategists are using Claude to cut first draft time by 60 to 80%. Tool number 2, Perplexity for research. Forget spending an hour hunting for sources. Perplexity searches the live web, synthesizes answers, and cites its sources. Freelancers doing market research, journalism, or content creation use it to compress research phases from hours to minutes. The pro version is worth every dollar if research is a core deliverable for you. Tool number 3, 11 Labs for voice and audio. If you produce any kind of content, podcasts, explainer videos, course material, ad reads, 11 Labs gives you studio-quality AI voiceover on demand. No scheduling a session, no re-recording. Freelance video editors and content producers are using it to turn scripts into polished audio in under 10 minutes. Tool number 4, Midjourney for visuals. Graphic designers and content creators use Midjourney to generate client-ready concept visuals, mood boards, and social assets faster than any stock library. The real workflow unlock is using it for rapid concepting. Show a client 6 visual directions in the time it used to take to show one. It changes how you pitch and how you price. Tool number 5, Make for automation. If you are still doing manual handoffs between tools, you are bleeding time. Make connects your apps, your CRM, your email, your invoicing, your file storage, and automates the repetitive stuff. Freelancers who set up even basic automations report getting back 3 to 5 hours per week. That is a full extra client slot every month. Tool number 6, Notion AI for knowledge management. Every freelancer has a brain full of context that never gets captured. Notion AI lets you build a second brain that actually works. Draft proposals, summarize meeting notes, generate SOPs, and search your entire knowledge base in plain language. The freelancers building the most scalable practices are the ones treating their knowledge base like an asset. Tool number 7, ChatGPT for client communication. Not for writing generic emails, for thinking through difficult conversations. When a client is pushing back on scope, or you need to raise your rates, or you are navigating a tense revision request, you can describe the situation and get communication strategies back in 30 seconds. It is like having a coach available at 2 in the morning. Here is the meta insight. The freelancers winning right now are not using AI to do more of the same work. They are using AI to deliver a higher tier of work than they could before, and charging accordingly. The 10x output claim is real, but the smarter version is 10x value per hour. You stop competing on hours. You start competing on outcomes. If you want to stay ahead of what is actually working in AI tools and automation, subscribe to this channel. We cover the real workflows, the honest trade-offs, and the tools worth your time every single week.